Welcome back to my hometown, guys. This is Singapore right now, and I'm at this famous place called Jewel. It's right beside our Singapore airport. Personally, for me, it's really heartwarming to be here. As you guys know, I've been flying around in Asia, to the Middle East, to Europe, but nowhere is always felt better than home, right? But there's something that I would like to show off here. This building called the Jewel is actually a flex, because it is something that is open up to public. Everybody can check out here. It is part of the airport infrastructure, but it's open to the mass, so anybody can check out here. But there's an open secret that will definitely wow you. We had a 40 meters long waterfall built in this place. It is a stunning form of engineering. The Jewel has been open since 2019, and it's the same group that designed the whole Marina Bay Sand that Singapore is famous for. And I'm sure that you can see at here right now why it's so famous. Look at this whole stunning building. Entire waterfall with a huge rainforest surrounding it. You are living right now in a huge man-made structure. Why is it called Jewel? It's because it's a round circle with the whole architecture that makes it look like a diamond from the outside. The experience here is really stunning, as there's a huge waterfall here. You can feel the entire pressure, the vibe, the sound that is constantly creating. Not to mention that because he is a whole spear environment, so you are totally immense in this environment with a 360 degrees environment that's surrounding you. You are totally like in a movie. I'm sure that there will be friends who is wondering, where do all this water came from, right? It's actually from rainwater that we have collected and used as a base to recycle. Now let's look further into how the waterfall starts. Look at this immense waterfall. This is the base of it. They make sure the water that is being seeped through here is being recycled. And the crazy part is here. The start of the waterfall actually came from the rooftop. In fact, it's so powerful that it actually cools down the entire building, acting as a cooler. Okay, now let's check out another view from different angles. We have reached the second level of this building, and from here it offers us another different angle of the waterfall. As you can see, lots of people are trying to make use of it to take videos, to do photos. This is definitely the selling point in Asia. If you are given a chance, would you like to visit here? Do comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Right, this is a total full view that you can enjoy this whole man-made rainforest from left to right. And I don't want to keep bragging about it, but actually there's also some other place that have a similar place like Jewel. However, they're not really in Southeast Asia. In Asia, there is one though that is at Icheon, Korea. They have a man-made glass spear that looks similar to Jewel. It's a bit long though. And if you look at Middle East, in Doha at Qatar, they had a similar one at the airport, which is very similar to Jewel. However, both of them have something that is not inbuilt, that waterfall. That is the factor, that separates these three airports, making the Jewel definitely in a way a better notch than both of the other two that I mentioned. But in similar style, they both have lots of glasses that lets the light to seep through, while they inbuilt natural forest inside that make it look stunning. As I'm strolling around Jewel, everything is impressive, beautifully built, but it comes with a price tag. It takes around 1.7 billion to build this entire building. However, the fun fact is that before this entire architect is being built, it used to be a car park. This place is actually like a big car park for Terminal 1. It's an open space one until 2013, where they decided to kill the entire car park and turn it into a crystal ball for human. And that was how this entire Jewel is being built and designed. As I was window shopping, you realize that most of the angle that I turn, no matter how I walked, you will still find yourself viewing at the waterfall. It was purposely designed this way so that every small step that you take, you will ultimately have that waterfall there. It's designed to make sure that the waterfall will be your landscape view at any point of the time. This is a different view that we ever get at nighttime, and I felt it's much more stunning. Right, so this is my home, Singapore, and I love it. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more travel videos.